Hello and welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, my name is Dagan Roo and this is Roo Vlogs. So today I'm in Luanda in Angola and I'm going to go explore the ship's graveyard, the moon viewpoint, which is supposed to look like the actual surface of the moon. So come on, let's go. So just arrived here at the ship graveyard in Luanda in Angola. It's actually spectacular. It's amazing to think all these ships are just left around here and just scavenged for parts. Check it out. It's crazy to see the amount of trash here. There's just tons and tons of trash.
Let's go.
So just got back from exploring, went to the ship's graveyard, it's spectacular to actually see all these ships that are just taken there to rot away. These massive boats that used to do all the fishing, and you just actually have to see it. It's got a bit of an eerie feeling, but it's a once in a lifetime thing to see. Also the moon viewpoint, it's cool to see how these rocks have eroded to look like the actual surface of the moon, and you got an amazing view of this pristine beach. Yeah, until next time, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Peace.